Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Danjo number 9104-605. This is a extended lip strike plate is what it is. The 9104 is representative of a couple of things. First of all, it means that it's 2 1/4 inch tall, that it has a 4-inch lip length, and we'll go over that in a moment. It means that it is what they call polybagged, which the packaging will look like this. Okay, it won't come carded. And that's what all that means. The 605, well, it means that it's polished brass finish, but it also means that it is solid brass base material. Okay, now the 9104, 2 1/4 tall. The lip length is measured from the center line of the screw holes to the end of the lip. That's 4 inch. There's a link below this video to the template, which will show everything important dimensionally about this item beyond what I've shown, but you can refer to the rest of it there. This strike is available in polished brass, obviously, antique brass, satin nickel, antique nickel, stainless steel, which would be a solid stainless, and a dark bronze, which would be a powder coat over stainless, generally, is what that's going to be. Okay, there's also a link below this video to the product catalog so that you can review this against all of Danjo's sister products so that you can determine if this is the proper item for your application. Extended lip strikes, where would you use them? Well, generally you're going to have a condition by which the latch bolt or some hardware strikes the frame before it hits the area proper for it to hit. An example of that would be an exterior outswinging door that you had an unusual treatment to the face of the wall. Not unusual, but say shutters or very thick casing or brick mold, to the point where the door would actually close and hit that trim work before it hit the strike plate. Okay, that you don't want. Or you could have a condition where you've got a single door or maybe a pair of doors in a wall that is that has a wood frame in it, but rather than the door being basically flush with the pull side of the frame, you know when you run your hand across the face of a door, it's inset into the frame ever so slightly when you're standing on the pull side, 3/32 of an inch. Well, imagine if you made that dimension greater, 2 inch, 3 inch, 1 inch, whatever. Homes in the southeast of the United States built 100+ years ago that are 3-story tall. Those first floor wall thicknesses are huge because there's no steel in those homes at all. And they would have 18-inch deep wood frames, and those doors would be set way into the center of the door. And that would be an application where you'd see this sort of hardware. And if you're thinking extended lip strikes, you might need to think about wide throw hinges as well. We can help you with that. So those are applications where you'd see these. Or a custom kitchen. You've got just since we're on the topic, cabinets. You could have a pantry where all of the casework matches the cabinets, even on the face of the refrigerator. You could have a pantry where that's all matches, and that is not a typical door. It's casework. It's cabinetry. So you could have an unusual condition there as well. Screws are included. Those are going to be in a complementary finish. Because of the width of this strike, you're going to have 2 columns of countersinks for the screws. Danjo is a comprehensive manufacturer of all things extended lip strike plate related, as that link to the product catalog will attest. But not only that, trim and auxiliary hardware like door stops and kick plates, pivots, signage, filler plates for steel and wood doors, steel frames, but it's their wraparound door reinforcing plates and their latch protectors that they're most known for. Any questions on the Danjo 9104-605 extended lip strike plate or any other Danjo product, please feel free to reach out to us.